Hi guys, today we are talking about Singhara. Singhara, also known as water chestnut. Some of the key benefits of Singhara include low calories content. Singhara is low in calories and high in fiber, making it is a good food choice for weight management. Good source of carbohydrates. Singhara is a rich source of carbohydrate which are an important source of energy for the body. High in essential minerals. Singhara is a good source of essential minerals such as potassium, calcium and magnesium, which are important for maintaining good health. Boost digestion. Singhara helps to promote healthy digestion and reduce constipation. Supports heart health. The potassium in Singhara can help to regulate blood pressure and support heart health. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that Singhara may help to regulate blood sugar levels, making it a good food choice for people with diabetes. Antioxidant properties. Singhara contain antioxidants that can help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. It's important to note that while Singhara has many health benefits,